Hi, welcome back to Alina's Spanish. Today we're going to talk about the prices and purchasing, so no more confusion in the shops. Let's get started. Firstly, how can we ask about a price? There are two ways. We can ask ¿cuánto cuesta? Verb costar, which is irregular. Cuesta. And valer. ¿Cuánto vale? And costar and valer should be always agreed with the number of items we are buying. For example, ¿cuánto vale esta camisa? Vale camisa. ¿Cuánto valen estas camisas? ¿Cuánto cuesta un limón? ¿Cuánto cuestan los limones? If we are asking about the price of something in general, we would use a definite article. El, la, los, las. ¿Cuánto cuestan las fresas? ¿Cuánto cuesta el helado? Or, ¿cuánto cuestan los plátanos? Then let's talk about the numbers and currencies. If you're still not good with numbers, you could check out my From Zero to Hero course. There you have all the numbers from zero until the billions explained. So, the currencies. We can have euro, euros, dólar, dólares, libra, libras, peso, pesos. So the currencies have also plural form. For example, una botella de agua cuesta €1. 10 botellas cuestan €10. The same will happen with the other currencies, like una lámpara cuesta $30. Un chicle cuesta $1. Pay attention when we say €1, $1, £1 or something, it's always un before the masculine currencies. For example, it's not €1, €1. $1, $1. But libra, because it's feminine, una libra. If it is less than one something, then it is céntimos. For example, una barra de chocolate cuesta 50 céntimos. Now, let's talk about the numbers and prices. How do we talk about the amounts with coins? And how do we build up the sentences with prices and currencies? So, to tell about the price, we will start with the object we're talking about. For example, la manta. La manta cuesta, vale, €10. It is number and then the currency. Don't forget to agree the currency with the plural number. If we have a higher price, like with thousands, it will sound like that. El sofá cuesta €1000. El sillón cuesta $2000. If it is amount with cents, then we would use preposition con. For example, la rosa cuesta 5 euros con 50 céntimos. It is common to omit euros in such sentences and just say 5 con 50. More examples. El zumo cuesta 2,50. La leche cuesta 1,30. Be careful. Here I said 1,30 because I omitted the masculine noun euro. If I use it, then I say 1,30 or the full sentence 1,30 euros. Let's compare it. La leche cuesta 1,30. La leche cuesta 1,30 euros. So that is all you need to know about the prices and how to ask about them in Spanish. If you have any questions left, let me know in the comments below. And if you would like to work this topic through, you could book one of my online lessons in Zoom. By the way, if you enjoyed the previous video about the infinitive constructions, I have created a PDF with the table with the constructions so you can print it and revise them from time to time and some exercises as well. So thank you for watching this video and hope to see you soon.